Ever heard of a hole in the middle of an ocean? Not a physical one, but a gap in international law that created a huge fishing free-for-all. Let's talk about the Peanut Hole. Picture this. It's the 1990s. The Cold War has just ended. In the middle of the Sea of Okhotsk, surrounded on all sides by Russia's economic zone, there was this peanut-shaped patch of international waters. This was the Peanut Hole. Back then, the United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea, or UNCLOS, established exclusive economic zones, giving coastal nations rights over resources up to 200 nautical miles from their shores. The problem was, this donut hole in the Sea of Okhotsk fell just outside Russia's limit. It was a high seas free-for-all. So what happened? Fishing fleets from countries like Poland, China, South Korea, and Japan flocked there. They pulled out massive amounts of pollock, a fish crucial to the region's ecosystem. Russia argued this was devastating the fish stocks that migrated between the Peanut Hole and their own waters. They called it unsustainable and a threat to their own fishing industry. It was a classic tragedy of the common situation on a massive scale. The situation got pretty tense. Russia started conducting naval exercises nearby and even boarded foreign fishing vessels, accusing them of illegal fishing in Russian waters. The international community was divided. Some saw Russia as a bully, others sympathized with their environmental and economic concerns. This international pressure cooker led to a series of intense negotiations. In 1995, an agreement was reached, often called the Straddling Stocks Agreement. It basically said that nations fishing in high seas areas like the Peanut Hole had to cooperate with the coastal states to conserve the fish stocks. A temporary ban on fishing in the Peanut Hole was put in place. Finally, in 2014, the story came to a close. The United Nations Commission on the Limits of the Continental Shelf officially recognized that the seabed of the Peanut Hole was part of Russia's continental shelf. This effectively closed the hole, making the area part of Russia's exclusive economic zone. The saga of the Peanut Hole is a fascinating chapter in maritime law, showing how international cooperation and a bit of muscle flexing can redraw maps and reshape global resource management. What a wild ride for a little patch of water. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into history.